Thank you for joining me back on my Fashion Fix series with Project Gadabout. I am Claire Whitaker and I am the voice behind Twirling Claire, a life and style blog filled with daily inspirations. I started my feature with Project Gadabout a couple of weeks ago, showing how you can improve your all-black uniform by adding pops of color and different accessories to make your outfit change. Today I'm excited to be back to show my favorite spring accessory, which is a flower pin. Nothing to me says spring more than florals, and for the past couple of years I've been doing an interesting trend with fun. Today I'm going to do a step-by-step on the supplies you need to make these flower pins and how you can go about wearing them. First, such an easy process. You can go to any craft stores, if it's Michael's Arts and Crafts, Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabrics, or even a place that just sells fake silk flowers. Once you go into the store, you can pick out your favorite flower. It can be any color. I recommend daisies as being a fun type of fake flower to buy just because they're very colorful, they're large and easily wearable. You can either choose to buy a pin back or a tic-tac pin pad, and I have both kinds. I've used both. The one I would not recommend is using the pin backs with the adhesion tape. I know that might seem like really easy. You just stick it on the back of the flower and it would work. I believe that using a hot glue gun, which I have set up here, is much more convenient and actually works much better because you can ensure that the flower will stay on the pin. So once you get your big flower, what you want to do is remove it from the back of the stem. Once you remove it from the stem, there will be a nub on the back of the flower. Take scissors or some type of greenery cutter and just trim down that nub as much as you can so it's almost an even surface on the back of the flower. Once you have a relatively flat surface, you'll see that there's a big green space on the back of the flowers, and that is what you use to attach the glue gun and the pin to. So here I'm going to use this pin back, and what I do is I take this surface part, which is a gold circle, and I attach a small dot, usually right above where that nub space is. As you can see, I'm just doing a little circle, a dollop of hot glue, and I am putting the pin, attaching it quite firmly. Just push down for about 15 seconds just to ensure that it's well attached. That'll take about 1 to 2 minutes to dry, and once it is all dry, just remove this extraneous glue. Glue guns can sometimes be sticky and create stringy pieces, but once that is all dry and completed, you have your flower pin. And here's another one that I have all dried and completed. Once you have these, the possibilities of wearing them are endless. They're a perfect spring and summer piece and can even range throughout the early fall as well. As you can see, I'm just wearing it with a classic button down. I also attach it to jackets. They look great on trench coats. You can wear it with a dress. Instead of having a very patterned dress, if you just have a plain sheath, it looks perfect, a solid color, and then I would recommend wearing it with any sort of jacket or sweater that you have to, just to add a pop of spring to your wardrobe. Thank you so much for joining me back this week on Project Gadabout. Be sure to come back in the next couple of weeks where I'll be sharing more of my fashion fixes. And until next time, be sure to keep checking your daily inspirations on Twirling Claire.